Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this. What is it? Well, let's open it and find out. Nice little carrying case. And we have a warranty card. And then we have a user guide. So if you haven't guessed by now, these are NP-FZ100 replacement batteries that I purchased for my Sony cameras. I have the a7 III and the a7R3, and I was excited to try out some replacement batteries. So this talks about the charger. Let's open this up. Really like this carrying case. Packaged nicely. So we have a USB-A to USB-C connector. We have the battery, Vemico for Sony NP-FZ100. We got a second battery here. And then we have a dual charger. Now, these are 7.2 volt, 2,280 milliamp hour batteries. And if you compare it with the Sony, this is also a 7.2 volt, 2,280 milliamp hour battery. So that's good. 16.4 watt hours. plug this in and see how it works. The top one is on the left, and that's charging. Bottom one is on the right, and that's charging. Now, I've tried several different brands throughout the years of being with Sony, and the chargers always act a little different. The last set I bought, I can't remember the brand name, but what bothered me about it was only one battery would charge at a time. And so I like the fact that this charges both simultaneously. So here we go. We have it charging, and we'll come back and check on it in a little bit and then do some real world tests. So about 2 hours and 6 minutes later, we had fully charged batteries that I went out and test drove on a couple of photo shoots, and I haven't had any complaints. These batteries are great. I actually love the color of them. They help stand out in my bag as opposed to other batteries I have. So I don't mind the color. They fit and feel like OEM Sony batteries in my camera. So that's good. I like the charger. I like the LED readout on the charger. And like I said, I like the fact that it charges both at the same time. So I have no complaints. If I was to give this a score out of, I don't know, 1 out of 10, with 1 being the worst, 10 being the greatest, I'd give it an 8 because, I don't know, maybe Sony's a 10 out of a 10, but these are good. No complaints at all, and I really enjoy them, and I wouldn't hesitate to buy them again in the future. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.